In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can book cheap cruise trips. So to achieve this, we're going to be using Expedia.com. The link is in the description of this video. Once you're on the website, you can choose to download the mobile app by selecting Get the App. Here, you're going to select Cruises, and then here, you're going to select your destination. So these are some of the popular destinations that cruises go to. So I'm going to select Caribbean. Here, select your departing date, right? And here you can select your duration, so you have a minimum of 3 nights and maximum of 9 nights. Here you can choose the number of travelers and then just select search. So for the date selected, these are the cruises that are available. So I'm going to select 5-night Caribbean. So on this page, let's scroll down and select our room type. So I want you to pay attention to the itinerary. So you would be leaving, say, from Tampa. Day 2 you'll be at sea. Day 3 you'll be in Mexico. Day 4 you'll be in Mexico. Day 5 you'll be at sea. Day 6 you'll be at Tampa, right? So you can review the different trips to select one that suits you and the destination that you want to go to. Say if I select choose room here, then I have these two options. So I'm going to select this room here. On this page, I'm just going to select again to confirm the room. So the room I selected is no longer available, so I have to choose another. So here, I'm just going to select this one, just for you to get the idea. So review your trip, and then you simply select reserve to proceed and make your payment. So you can make a deposit of $200 and the full payment is due by September the 29th. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.